5 prompts I actually use in Gemini Deep Research that replaced hours of manual work. No fluff, just the prompts and why they work. I'm going to use Spotify as my example, but these work for any industry. Prompt 1, competitive landscape. Research the competitive landscape for your product category across competitor A, B, C, D, and E. For each, 1, core features, 2, launches in the last 12 months, 3, user sentiment from Reddit, app reviews, and Twitter, 4, underserved gaps. Output as a comparison table, then top 3 opportunities. So for me, I'd plug in my product space and my top 5 competitors. This used to be a full week of tab hopping. The key is naming your competitors, defining the exact columns you want, and pointing it to where sentiment lives. You get a table you can screenshot straight into a deck. Prompt 2, user pain point mining. Analyze public user complaints about feature or product from Reddit, App Store reviews, and Twitter over the last 6 months. Categorize complaints into themes, rank by frequency, and for each theme include 2 to 3 direct user quotes. And with the top 3 pain points a product team should prioritize. This is your discount user research. It doesn't replace talking to users, but when you need ammo for a roadmap pitch by Thursday, this gets you 80% there. The trick is specifying the sources and asking it to categorize, not just list. Prompt 3, market sizing. Estimate the total addressable market for your feature or product idea. Include current industry size, growth rate, comparable feature adoption rates from similar products, and relevant demographic data. Show your assumptions and sources. Break down by region: North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. Market sizing usually takes a full day of Googling analyst reports. This won't give you McKinsey grade numbers, but it gives you a defensible starting point with sources you can verify. The magic line is show your assumptions. It forces the model to be transparent instead of just throwing out a number. Prompt 4, regulation and policy scan. Research current and upcoming regulations that could impact your industry in the EU and US. Cover: AI regulation, data privacy, content moderation, and consumer protection. For each include status, enacted, proposed or rumored, expected timeline, and potential product impact. Format as a table sorted by timeline. Nobody on your team wants to do this research. That's exactly why you should automate the first pass, especially useful before quarterly planning. Legal still needs to validate, but you're walking in with a draft instead of starting from 0. Prompt 5, trend report. Identify the top 5 emerging trends in your industry over the last 12 months. For each, what's happening, which companies are doing it, cite specific launches or announcements, and assess whether it's early stage, growing, or mature. End with a 1-paragraph take on which trend has the highest ROI to invest next quarter. This is the one I run monthly. It's basically a personalized industry briefing. Instead of skimming 20 newsletters, you get a synthesized view with citations. I drop the output into a Slack channel and my team stays current without the reading homework. Those are the 5. Everyone follows the same structure. Name your specifics, define the columns you want back, and tell it to show its sources. I'll drop all 5 prompts in the description so you can copy them and swap in your own details. See you in the next one.